This 350,000 square foot building was built in 1924 as part of the Canadian Westinghouse Company's Hamilton West plant. The building was used as a foundry and pattern shop for production of electrical equipment. The company converted the building in 1963 as an appliance and shipping warehouse. Elements of the original foundry have been removed and updated, and secondary structures have been added and removed. The overall form and features have been maintained. Just having a walk around the outside of the building, trying to see if there's anywhere where we can look inside. It's looking pretty sealed up. It's really unfortunate. I would love to explore this one. It'd be a great industrial location. But there's motion sensors inside, and last time I was here, there's video cameras. So it's not likely, but we'll be able to get some shots inside, hopefully. Made our way down to the other end of the building. I did spot an opening that I'd be able to get inside. Hopefully in a couple minutes, we're in there. I was wrong. It's not a way in. Somebody stripped away all of this metal to find out this window is barred. I'm gonna stick the camera in, see how far I can get it in there. Looks like a lot of fire damage. Bring it back out. Okay, I'm gonna keep walking around, seeing what we can find around here. Westinghouse phased out their production in the plant and sold the property in 1986. After this, it was used for industrial storage and distribution, and then for a scrap metal facility. A lot of good graffiti and street art along here. Yoshi! Yoshi! Nice. You can see people have been making ways inside of here. They've been getting sealed up. Still not a way inside, but found another window. I just have to be perched up here to look through it. Somebody has cut through this metal they had over the window. Okay, graffiti artists have been in here. That boat that is sitting over there has graffiti on it. Alright, so an explore of the interior won't be happening today. Smile, you're on camera. Such a cool building. In 2019, the building was taken over by McMaster University as part of the McMaster Innovation Park. Along with a major development firm, a plan to develop what is described as a beautiful and innovative concept, balancing cultural heritage value with modern flexible amenities. It will be the new home of Canada's global Nexus for pandemics and biological threats. Despite not being able to explore the inside of the building, it is great to see that large portions of the building are going to be saved and incorporated into a new design. I cannot wait to check it out when it's complete. Been stopped here pulling burrs off of my pants. They're covered. Always fun. Whew, and out of breath. Just had to climb up this hill right here. Out of shape. Too bad we didn't get in here. This building has some amazing history. We got some good photos. Yeah, awesome.